Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Dikshita. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be creating this look what you see here using all the products from Kay Beauty. So recently I purchased few new products from Kay Beauty. So I purchased this contouring palette from them and this lipstick. They're a long lasting matte lipstick. So I wanted to try these two products. So मैंने सोचा कि let's do the full face of Kay Beauty because मेरे पास almost सारे products हैं Kay Beauty के. So for that I purchased this as well. This is their hydrating primer, sorry, color correcting primer. I didn't have this one as well with me, but since I wanted to do this full face of Kay Beauty, I went ahead and purchased this primer. So in today's video, I'll be giving you my first impressions on these new products which I bought and many reviews on the other products which I already had and used them. Also, I have done detailed reviews on most of the products from Kay Beauty on my channel. So I'll link those videos here and in the description box for you. So if you're interested, you can go and check out those videos for more information. So yeah guys, now without any further ado, let's start rolling. So I've already done my skincare. Now let's start with primer. So for primer, I have this primer from Kay Beauty. It's their color correcting primer actually, and it is enriched with avocado and mango butter. So this is how it looks like. It comes in this kind of packaging. The packaging is color coded. So I have the shade peach and the packaging also has this peach color. This one retails for 7.99 rupees. And this is how it looks like from inside. It comes in this very nice squeezy tube packaging. I'm applying this all over my face actually. It has a very nice moussey kind of texture to it and ये बहुत ही अच्छे से skin में blend हो गया है. Also it provides a very nice illuminating base as well. As you can see, it has provided little bit glow to my face. Also it feels very hydrating. It is not at all matte. It feels hydrating on the face. So I use the shade peach and it is supposed to cover the uneven skin tone and dark spots, and I can see that it has evened out the skin tone a little bit and it provides a very hydrating finish. It has a little bit of tacky feel to it, so I think foundation उसके ऊपर काफ़ी अच्छे से apply होगा, and it has provided a very nice smooth finish to the face, and I can see थोड़े बहुत pores को भी cover कर दिया इसने. It doesn't contain any silicone, but I can see that it has covered little bit of pores as well. Actually, I thought I'll have to use some pore filling primer, but I don't think I need that since it has blurred the pores little bit. So I think we are good. Now let's use the foundation. Or let's do the eyebrows before that. So for that I'm using this eyebrow pencil. The shade of this is Walnut. It's a very good eyebrow pencil. It's not too creamy and it is enough waxy, so it provides a very nice natural finish to your eyebrows, and this shade also matches me pretty well. The only problem with this eyebrow pencil is that it doesn't come with a spoolie, so you'll have to use a separate spoolie. Now I'll quickly clean my eyebrows and come back. Now for foundation, I'm using their hydrating foundation. I have this one in the shade 135 and medium. It comes in this glass packaging and it also has the pump. This foundation is not a full coverage foundation. It provides medium to buildable coverage and it provides a very nice natural finish to your face, and it is very hydrating on the face. This is not at all a matte foundation. It's a very nice hydrating illuminating foundation. Kay Beauty doesn't have a concealer in their product library yet, so I'll be using this concealer from Sugar. It's their Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer. I have this one in the shade 30 Choco Kino. Now to set my concealer, I am using their HD Setting Loose Powder. It comes in this very nice tub packaging. I use this powder in the shade Almond. It's a very soft and finely milled powder. It doesn't have a lot of coverage, but it sets the makeup in place really well. Next for contouring, I actually have two products from Kay Beauty. This is their contouring stick. I have this one in the shade Caramel Focus. And then I have this palette from them. It's their Contour and Highlight Pro palette. So the shade of this palette is Contour Genius. Actually came across this palette sometime back only. Not many people were talking about this palette. I think they didn't promote this palette like their other products. So जब कब ये launch हुआ I don't know, but I was just going through the products from K Beauty and I came across this one. So I actually was thinking of using both the products, like first cream contour and the powder one, but I already set my face. Like I didn't set my whole face, but okay, let's try to use this. I'm applying with a very light hand because it's very pigmented. Now let's use this contouring palette. This is how it looks from inside. The packaging is so pretty. So you get these three shades here, three powder products. So this one is a cool tone product which you can use as a contour. This one is a warm tone product which you can use as bronzer, and you have this highlighting powder here, and it comes with this very nice full size mirror. So I'm not using the powder because I have already set my face. So let's first use this contouring product. Now let's use this bronzer. So both of these powders are very soft and finely milled. The pigmentation of both the powders is good, and it's very easy to blend these powders. They don't look patchy at all, and you won't have to put a lot of effort to blend these. They are very easy to work with. Now let's do the eyes. So I don't have the eyeshadow palette from K Beauty, but I have these eyeshadow sticks from them. These are their metallic eyeshadow sticks. So I have these two shades. This one is the shade Amethyst, and then this is the shade Navigator. So I'm thinking of using this shade Amethyst because ये Navigator shade मैंने कुछ time पहले ही use किया था. So I'm using this contouring palette and I'm taking this middle shade from the contouring palette, and I'll apply this shade all over my eyes. So next I'm using this eyeshadow stick. These eyeshadow sticks are very creamy and very easy to apply. They are highly pigmented and very easy to blend. K Beauty has the matte sticks as well. So next I'm using this eyeliner. This one is in the shade Black Canvas. So this eyeliner comes with this brush applicator. I personally don't like brush applicators because it becomes very difficult to control the application. I like those felt tip applicators. Those give you better control on the application. Otherwise the applicator is good. It provides a very precise application. So if you like brush applicators, you will like this. And it is highly pigmented. It provides a very nice pigmentation in single stroke, and it dries down very quickly to a matte finish. Next I'm using this Kajal pencil. This one is in the shade Spade. I'm again using this shade for my lower lash line. Next for blush, I have these two shades from their matte blush. I have the shade Soft Nude and Sugar Candy. So I think I'll use the shade Soft Nude. This is my favorite shade. Like, it's a very beautiful shade, and it goes with all kind of eye looks. These blushes are again very soft and finely milled, so you will see a lot of kickback in the pan. Also they are highly pigmented, so you'll have to be careful with them, but they are very easy to blend and work with. Next for highlighter as well, I have these two shades from their illuminating highlighter. I have this shade Rosy Dew and this one is Champagne Fizz. Let me show you how they look like. So this is the shade Rosy Dew and this is the shade Champagne Pop. I'll be using this Champagne Pop shade for today's look. The highlighter formula is very nice. It's very soft and buttery. The pigmentation is also very good and they provide a very nice beautiful finish to the face. I'm using the same highlighter to highlight my inner corners as well. Next, I'll set my face using this PAC makeup fixer. K-Beauty doesn't have a makeup fixer yet. Sorry guys, I don't have the mascara as well from K-Beauty. So I'll be using this mascara from Maybelline. It's their Total Temptation waterproof mascara. Now let's complete this look with a lipstick, and for that I'm using their Long Stay Matte lipstick. I have this one in the shade Wrap Up. Perfect name of a lipstick because we'll be wrapping up this makeup look as well with this lipstick. Oh, actually I have lip liners as well from K-Beauty. Let me just grab those. So I have these two shades in their lip liner. So I have the shade Romance and Sensational. So I think I'll use the shade Romance today. Now let's use the lipstick. So this is how this lipstick looks like. I think the shade is very beautiful and this formula is very creamy and very easy to apply and highly pigmented as well. I got a very good pigmentation on the lips in single application and it is looking very beautiful. Very comfortable to wear, not drying on the lips. And it's a creamy formula, so I think it will be, it will transfer, it won't be transfer proof. So I don't know how they claim that it's a long lasting lipstick. See, it is transferring, but yeah, the color is still there on the lips. So yeah, we will see कि कितने time तक ये lipstick last करती है. So guys, this is the final look. So overall, I really like this brand K-Beauty. It has become my favorite Indian makeup brand. And जितने भी products हैं इनके वो काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, काफ़ी अच्छे से perform करते हैं. The formulas are really beautiful and the packaging is also very nice. They have a very nice different kind of packaging. It's minimal. It's classy and it's beautiful, and they have this K-Beauty logo on all the products, so it's very easy to identify their product. Like for today's video, I was taking out the K-Beauty products from my makeup stash and it was very easy to identify their products. So this is also a very unique thing about their product. This brand is not very affordable and not very expensive as well. It's somewhere in between, but if you want to try these products and you don't want to spend a lot of money, you can always look for discounts. Now I see कि K-Beauty पे काफ़ी अच्छा discount आ जाता है. Like sometimes they have 25% discount as well. So you can always look for these discounts to buy these products and try them. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video, this look, and you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and share the video. Also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you'll be notified for my future uploads. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.